Hey guys, so I bought the DJI Mini 2 drone. This is the unboxing. Ah, may ano na siya, may kasama na siyang bag. Diba? Oh, ang bongga. Diba? This is the combo. Bag na siya. Ang ganda ng bag niya, in fairness. So, super ganda ng quality ng bag. Let's open it. So, inside the bag is the... Uy! You have to put the serial numbers and the photo of the... Oh, not so bad. Okay, so this is the joystick. This is the... Oh, charger. This is the charger. Ah, so cute. So cute. And this is the battery pack, I think. So, the combo has 3 batteries. Okay. This has 3 battery slot. I think the other battery is in the drone itself. So, this have 2 batteries, extra batteries. So, 30 minutes would give you about 1.5 hours. The charging wire. Okay. This is the manual. Yeah, this is the manual. So, tomorrow I'm gonna read this. So, how you fly? Quick start. I don't know. So, we'll see. I took 200 dirham extra 1-year warranty exchange in case you don't. This is the Mini 2 Mavic Mini 2. Look, it's the size of my phone. Oh, my phone is bigger. Look. See? Diba? It's bigger. My phone is so this is the drone itself, and it has this protector. Oh, scary. To protect the propeller. Okay, so open it like this, and like that. Diyos ko, munti ko na masira, kabago-bago, mali pala ang aking pagano. Pailalim. Okay, so you have to flip. Okay, guys, like this, and like that. Okay, so now this is the Mini 2, and then you have to remove the seal in the battery tabs. This is the protector for the camera. So there's a mini plastic protector, like the strong plastic, which is nice. And ta-da! That's about it. What's here? Oh, there's something inside here. Oh, there's like 4 extra propeller in the packet, and then another propeller. So how many extra propeller? And this is like a very small screwdriver. And I don't know what is this, but I'm gonna check the manual. But it looks like something. The bag is empty, and the bag is very nice. It looks sturdy, and here are everything. So the battery, charger, and 2 extra battery, and everything. Yeah! Finally! Let's see if my phone fits in here, and let's download the DJI app. So let's see if it fits with the cover. If not, then I have to remove the cover. Oh! Ooh la la! The cover fits with the phone, and this is the joystick. So I have everything, charger, and the drone itself. So tomorrow we will try to test it, and we'll give you the videos. So like this later. Okay. So you unfold it downward. Downward. Okay. This is how you close it. Downward. Yeah. And here, and then here, and then lock it with this. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching.